I don't know, guys. I don't know why I'm sitting here talking to a camera because it's not really my thing.
What do you feel like, Han?
I'm asking you a question. Seriously? I'm not asking me the question. And I still want to know what you do with that house.
Open the house.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning, everything family. Good morning, guys. Kararating lang ni Tami. Galing siya sa sa car place. Pinarehistro niya yung kasi yung appointment is 9:30. So, umaga siyang pumunta doon. Andi, nakabalik na siya. Doon, kumain ng breakfast niya. And punta kami sa isang bahay kasi mag-impake. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka nang sasama. Ayaw talaga, guys. Gusto ko nang iwan nga kasi kumain. Sabi niya, nope, scary daw. Scary, Han? Scary to leave me alone? He's scared. Anyway, guys, so yun. So, maaga. What time is it? It's already 9 something. This is what I don't like. We should be there already.
Our appointment for the car wasn't even for another 15 minutes. So, knock it off.
No, not get off, honey. Knock it off. Why do I have to knock it off? Somebody's jumping on the thing. Hinihintay ko lang siya kasi...
I don't chase you with a vacuum cleaner.
Oh my God, every time I carry vacuum cleaner, itong lahat ng mga alaga namin, takbo, natatakot.
Tell the truth, you swung it at him.
Ha?
You didn't carry it, you swung it at him.
No, I carried it. No to you. Kasi gusto kong mag-impake continuation doon. Gusto kong itapon yung mga old computer. That's garbage. And I don't know when is that gonna be. The city will pick it up. Do you have to call them, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
No, computers you have to bring to Best Buy.
Best Buy? Why?
So you can pay.
Seriously. And so yun lang, guys. Alis tayo. And yun. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree, no? Pero doon sa baba, wala na masyadong puti. Dahil kinain na nila yung mga puti sa Christmas tree ko. Kasi iwan ko, Hubs like to eat the Christmas, puti at saka yung, akala nila dahon. So yun, sinusuka nila. So this morning, I see in the laundry area. Every morning na lang, meron ako makita. Linis na naman tayo. Somebody's happy with my gift. Somebody's happy with that. Dimples, you like the housey, huh? Dimp. Hello, baby. Gustong-gusto niya dun, guys. Hiwi.
Waiter.
Hiwi man na pagkabutang ni mo, ay. Hiwi kaglagay. Ginoo ko. Ang akong bana. Hiwi man. Yung pantalon ko ba? Ay, ginoo ko.
What am I saying? I got nothing to say. I'm talking to you guys. I'm talking. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm talking. We're going to the other house. Probably figure that out. Because I'm sure it's already been said. And my wife insists on driving because she's paid my neck that way. She went to get a coat because she didn't realize she wants a coat. There's no point in realizing that ahead of time. But we're here. We're headed out. So you can hear the dogs already being annoying. Takes her a long time to get a coat. She walk around inside the house with a coat, and then she comes outside without a coat.
Roxy finally ate.
Okay, now you gotta let her out.
I did. She's out.
Okay. I don't know, guys. I don't know why I'm sitting here talking to a camera because it's not really my thing. That's her thing. She likes to be in a camera. I mean, I'm happier just to be on the editing side of things. But we should be ready to go very shortly. Sounds like she's on her way back.
They're stupid. They're the stupidest. What are you doing? I let them out and they don't do anything. You know what? I'm not the one who's
Like I
gonna
said, Misty Peter pooped. It was Roxy.
Roxy doesn't want to do it. Why hin? Okay, hin. Hin. Hurry, hin. Did you get the mail yesterday?
Yes.
We're gonna go over there. My husband is smoker hen. He make my car very smoky hen.
Right, I sprayed in the car, so you don't have this.
Ngayong sandali, kailan ba tayo magkikitang muli? Yung buli mo doy. Budoy. Si Budoy, si Gerald Anderson, Budoy. Si Julia Barito, si Buday. He's so busy, guys. Oh, Lord. This is the thing. He doesn't talk to me, guys, all the freaking time. He doesn't talk to me. Did you hear that? He's typing. He's typing.
Typing. Very slowly because I don't type really good.
Can you talk to me instead of your cell phone?
Instead of my cell phone? I'm not talking to my cell phone. I type in my
Pay
cell phone.
attention. Oh my God, hon. You know what, hon?
You know what, hon?
I'm gonna listen to fucking music.
No, too late now. Forget it. Now you can't listen to music now. We'll listen to news. Now you're going to be stuck with news. That's what you get.
Seriously?
News. All news, all the time. News.
Whatever.
Whatever.
You're the worst ever.
You get it, guys? I am the worst ever. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. When you see this there goes on, it says, oh, my husband's the best. Don't believe it. This is the truth right here. All right? This is the real deal. Worst ever.
No, you're not.
Pay attention. Worst ever.
And that's what happened when you are
heard
like
it,
not
guys.
paying attention to me.
Guys, you heard it through your own ears. Worst ever.
Kasi ako na imong buli. Be, buli. Buli. I love you.
I love you too, even I'm worst ever.
Honey, you know you're not. You know what I...
You say worst ever a lot.
You know what I really feel?
You say it a lot.
Because I said it a lot because you know you are that in freaking social media. You're the worst of me. I never do like that social media thing. I never do that.
No, you do it on games.
But look at
Damn, I lost another star. These freaking people don't know how to play. They're the worst ever.
Ay, nako. I'm so thankful that I have a husband like this. The worst one. I love you.
Sabado.
You know that. You know I always sing that.
Yep.
You know I always sing that. I love you, Sabado. Niyabot og Linggo.
I remember these things.
Oh my God. I love you, Sabado. Oh my God, you remember my sayings all the time, huh?
Yeah.
Sabado.
Now it is safe.
It's raining, guys.
Okay.
Oh my God. We're here. Tanggalin ko lang tong ano ko. Out. Kasi sa bahay na tayo. Mag-ano lang ako sa kwarto ni Mister. And then balik tayo sa isang kwarto. So, okay, balik lang ako dito, guys. Kailangan kong kumilos agad. And, yun, babalikan ko na lang kayo sa mga susunod na araw. No, joke. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Tapon, basura. Diba? Basura. Mga old stuff. Nagutom din ako. So, yan. Punong-puno itong box. Kaloka. So, ano po? Ito yung computer noon, guys. Di ba may mga, yung sa Pilipinas pa nga, yung mga computer doon is ano eh. Flat na. Ito siya. Magagamit pa to. Magamit pa ito. Tapon. Sinamahan ako, guys. Nagwala. Who is this from Washington?
I don't know.
Here. What do I need? I need you.
What do you want for lunch?
Look at him. What do you feel like, Han?
I'm asking you a question. Seriously? I'm not asking me the question. And I still want to know what you do with that pouch.
Can you get the regular pizza?
I'm sure you can figure
Pizza?
out.
That cheese pizza?
You want regular cheese pizza?
Yeah.
No pepperoni?
Just the regular cheese. That thing is in the box in there. There's a lot of cheese and there's more cheese in there. Don't go to Maria, ha? It's expensive. So, kailangan kong linisin ito, guys. Kasi, anyway. Tapusin ko lang ito. Nagpabili lang ako ng lunch. Kasi, alam nyo na, nagutom. 12 o'clock na kasi. Ang daming tools ni Tami. Kaya mag-aaway kami, guys, niyan. Dahil sa mga ganito, yung mga dalhin daw niya lahat, ganon. Iwan ko na. Hindi ko na alam yung mundo. At kailangan kong makipag-away kasi asawa ako, 'di ba? Hindi man makipag-away, makiglalis ba? Argumento. Kasi walang pulot itong mga gamit. So kung pabayaan ko lang siya, guys, ang bahay namin is puro ganito, oh. Nag-alala siya kasi iwan daw niya ako. Itatapon ko daw yung mga basura. Ang dami din kailangang i-shred. Dito, like this, mga ID. Pagod ako sa bigat. Dito na siya. Tignan natin kung anong nabili. Hi. This is our lunch, guys. Kain lang kami, guys. I'm hungry. Nagtapon lang din ako ng mga basura. Ito damit ni Tami na ito siya i-give away, ibigay. Ito siya dito. Ito aircon. And then yun siya, ito dito. Hindi ko siya dalhin. Kasi kapag andito siya, meron siya towel, meron siyang towel. Yung cabinet niya, mga underwear, ito lahat. So, ang dami pa, guys, oh. Ito lang yung iniwan ko para sa kanya. And then, hindi pa ako tapos. Dami pa dito. Basura kanina. Nag-ano pa kami, naglalis-lalis. Dahil sa basura. Ang dami. Sabi ko, itapon na ito. Kinuha pa talaga yung basura na bag. Kinalkal talaga niya yung basura. Para alam nyo, guys, nakaka-irita man. Pero kailangan mo talagang ipaglaban mo yung karapatan mo din. May karapatan kaming dalawa. Ang pinaglaban ko lang naman is, andito na siya, guys. Papunta na dito yan. Hey!
I gotta take it. Let's go.
Han! What? Let's go.
Because I want to get this car filled so we know what we can't put in it. What's the point of it?
You want me to like feel bad? Ang daming pantalon ni Tami na. Kaya nilagay ko dito yung mga pantalon. Kasi ang dami niyang pantalon, yung maliit pa yung hawak niya, yung baywang niya 34. Ngayon naging 36 kasi lumaki-laki yung tiyan. Yung pag-meet kasi namin, maliit yung tiyan yan, guys. Walang tiyan. Natyanan lang yan, binuntis ko kasi. Binuntis ko si Mr. Nalubat na pala ako, guys. Ang dami pang ano. Dalhin ko tong mga tuwalya, guys, kasi ang dami na naming tuwalya, pero gusto ko talagang tuwalya din. Dalhin ko yung magaganda kasi sayang naman. Why are you rushing to go home?
I'm not rushing to go home. I'm saying we can only put 2 more bags in the car. Is that bag going?
Which one? Here.
Have to be that one and this one.
That's tools too. That's
Yeah.
garbage.
It's not garbage. It's
Yes,
tools.
it is. It's
What?
empty.
That's okay. It's a case for the saw.
Paano kaya ito i-open? Ang daming, alam niyo to, guys, itong bahay na to, maglakad ka, ang makikita mo sa sahig is coins. Look. Kahit saan ka dito sa bahay, maglakad ka, Coins everywhere. Parang nagtapon sila ng mga coins. So, yung sahig dito is puro coins. Dito ako, malapit ng ma-empty. Meron pa tayong konti dito. And marami pa doon sa loob. And, ang dami ni Taming damit. Ginoo ko yung ilong ko nag-dry sa kakaano dahil sa dust. Hindi na magkasya lahat dito, guys. Oh my God. Daming ano. Oh, puno. Puno yung sasakyan ko. May pizza pa dito sa loob. And ilagay natin itong pizza dito. Hopefully, hindi siya mahuhulog. Sinabi mo na ikaw lang ang umibig sa'yo. Ano raw? Well, 2:30 guys. Umalis kami maaga guys kasi wala naman akong ano. Ano bang magagawa ko doon? Nahid-ik ako eh. Maganda pag andito yung kapatid ni Tami kasi ano to? Ano yun siya? Maraming magaganap, maraming mahilig yun maghalongkat ng gamit.
Life's a bitch.
Did you close the door properly? Han.
See, now you make me want to go out and check. Really?
Han, I really don't like that piglets in there.
I know, it's stupid.
Two different kind. Two different kind. Ipakita ko nga sa inyo guys ha. I-picture natin siya guys. Tignan mo na ha. Ipakita ko sa inyo ha.
It's like the most retarded Christmas decorations ever.
Christmas decor yun guys ha. I don't know guys kung ano yun ha. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready na? Let's go.
Every once in a while.
Did you check the door?
Yes. No, I'm not getting out of it. Don't pull that crap on me.
Go check again.
No,
because I don't hear the clunk clunk.
Run over a squirrel.
Yeah, you killed the squirrel when you back up. I know it.
Isn't that you?
No, it was you. I never do back. I never do back.
Are you a squirrel killer?
Hello, ay grabe man kapagi jud eh. Grabe man kaputi akong pananaw karong panahon na. Sobra jud kaputi.
Go see somebody else. Thank God you can't vote per pound. You never lose.
Somebody said it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
It's very, very much. All right, so let's set the stage here. What happened last night? All right, well, what you have to...
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Open the house. Han, can you get the pizza? Nagwala yung aso. Oh my God, it's so foggy. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Aray, ginoo ko, Lord. Go. And don't push me. Hi, Mitch. Hi, Mitch. Hello, monkey. Hi, Roxy. Aray, ginoo ko. Aray, Michi. Hi, Michi. Hi, monkey. Hi. Okay, guys. Hugas tayo ng pinggan. Kagibi pa to, hindi pinagasan. Hugas tayo. Pahinga lang ako, pahinga, pero naglalaro lang ako talaga. Yun na naman, may kausap na naman siya. Yung asawa ko ba, sabi pa niya, tapos ka na? Naglalaro, kain na tayo. Ay, ang taba ng mukha ko, guys. Grabe. Naglalaro ako. Pinagtawanan ako ni Tami kasi palagi akong talo. Palagi akong talo. Ang dami kasing gagaling ng mga player. Grabe. Kain lang kami, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog kasi there's nothing, and after this thing, I'm gonna go back to game. After we eat. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.